lock it. Hey kids! There are 6 sets of lock and key have got mixed up. And now you have to check it. Match the key with its lock. Color the pair of locks and key with the same color. Use different pencil colors. Now, you can recognize your each set of lock and key.